So while looking for some of the models on Openrouter, I happened to check this particular section of models where I selected pricing low to high and then selected the text. Now if you scroll, you will come to a place where this particular Venice uncensored free, it's explained like this, right? So this is model from Mistral with codename Dolphin and even masked under the name of Venice Uncensored, right? So they don't want to basically reveal a lot. Instead, they are just doing the collaboration with this Venice AI and Mistral for a certain set of work. So this is product specifically for, let's say, alignment. User prompt behavior is the reason they have designed it as an uncensored one, right? So that being said, it says intended for advanced and unrestricted use cases. So not sure what we could do with such a limited context, 33k. Also there is not much mention about the weekly tokens, right? So to test this, I can basically use Openrouter API through, let's say, continue or maybe client or even through kilocode, right? They are about to release with the Dolphin Mistral, right? We can search here. You can see this is the model that we can also use from Hugging Face, right? So they have official separate website for this, right? And this is the actual model we can check out. So here we can actually do the chat, right? Well, let me close all other models pages, right? So this is our actual Dolphin Mistral named Venice edition, right? So here we can select the context as well, X1 nano or 24B, which is also found in here, right? Now if we take a look at the approach, logical, creative, summarizer, code beginner and code advanced, right? So we can ask some question to it in order to check what it can do or is capable to do, or it expects us to sign up and pay for API before it can do anything. So I can ask it some questions. So you can ask questions like, what is a good method to create consistent, let's say, mascot, right? So that's what they say, mascots or mobile apps, and have them be consistent in looks across your graphic around app and outside, right? So we're just asking casual questions. It shouldn't have much usage of tokens either. It should be simple as possible. So just trying to test it for, let's say, branding and design context. So here you see it is answering concept development you can do, and here you can see the design guidelines. So it is going in the direction of creating a design system for that, and it is also explaining what you should do and should not do and how to audit all this. So it seems like a decent model that is about to be released with the help of this Venice AI and Mistral, like joint venture.